Hi, crafty friends. Lisa here, the cheeky bum, and I found some more Dollar Tree finds. So I found some stuff that I have not seen yet, and some stuff that I was looking for, and I thought that I would share with you. I know that I just did one not that long ago, but I didn't expect to find some new finds, but I'm glad I did. So first off, I've been finding a lot of these clips, and this time I found a Jack Skellington. I mean, I've been using these. I like that they're magnetic. They go in the fridge. And I have collected other Jack Skellington stuff and Nightmare Before Christmas stuff, like the lotions and stuff like that. So eventually I'll do some kind of either Happy Mail or like a swap that incorporates it and just put it all together. So I'm going to put those in with all the other stuff that I have found. I found some new fabrics. I'm on the hunt for some more of the cherry, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find any. I'm glad that I found 2 of the plaid cherry that has like the yellows, the blues, the reds. It's just so cute. But I was going to try to hoard more, but it's okay. I found this cute little bee one. Well, we're going to open all these up so we can see them in their entirety. Super cute. I do have some salt and pepper shakers that are beehives and honey pots, and I do like to use these and just rip strips. It adds texture, so I use like yarns, ribbon, ripped fabric, sometimes like the sequin ribbon, or like the little pearl strips, anything to add more texture to my tassels I like to do. So I already have some bee stuff in my stash, so I thought that this would go well. I picked up this red polka dot because I feel like you can use this with a lot of different things. Strawberries, cherries, watermelon, Disney, like just so many things. Christmas, Valentine's, this is a good one. There was only one, otherwise I probably would have picked up a couple. And then I also picked up this blue gingham. Now this is like the soft fabric. I guess I would call it a fleece, but not, I don't know if I've ever, no, I have ripped this and it does rip okay, but it's just like this blue gingham. I think will be fun for spring, 4th of July, anything like that. I would even put this in with like cherries. It's giving me kind of picnicky. So yes, I think I have some seashells. So if I did like a nautical theme, I would even put that in with nautical. I found some new face masks and they're Betty Boop. I thought that they were super cute. So we have a chamomile retinol vitamin E. We have a green tea aloe and collagen. And then hyaluronic acid, collagen, and coconut. But they do have like, so I think it's a picture of Betty on one side and it says Betty Boop on the other side, I think. I don't know, the picture is so small. I'm not quite sure, but they're cute. I thought that they were cute. Good self-care. We can always use self-care. I found these stickers in the teaching tree, and they're just little gingham hearts. I thought that these would be good for journaling or anything else. I feel like they're pretty universal, and I really liked the colors. They're giving me very much spring vibes. So I got that. I finally found some of the zipper pouches. So Hobby Lobby used to carry these, and I have not seen them in months. They have like a 3-pack, is it 3 or 4-pack of different sizes, but I have not found the single ones because they used to have the single ones for 99 cents or $1. And I have not seen them in a while. Target will come out with these around back to school time, and they'll have different colors. I only found 2, but I do like these. These are great. They're great to put swaps in to keep it all together. They're great for a Happy Meal. They're great to put scraps in. I use them all the time, so I'm always happy when I find some. So add those to the drawer of stuff. Let's see what else I found. Alright, so I found us some new markers, and we are going to try these out. Let's put the bag down. I think I do have a sheet of paper actually right here. So these are acrylic markers, it says. I finally found the fabric markers as well, but I did not grab them. I just didn't know if I would use them. I'll probably end up opening all of them. But these are, this one's a bullet tip. we are going to try them out, see how they are. I only found these 2 packs, the basic colors and the pastel colors. I mean, no priming. I feel like they color pretty well. I mean, for $1.25, they're not bad. The question will be coloring on colored paper. Oh, I really like this color. Actually, let's see, before I do have a sheet of black. So I don't know if the basic colors will color on this, but let's try the pastel. So it is a bit streaky on black. You would probably have to let it dry and go over it, but it will color, just not opaque with one pass. Okay, so there's those ones. Let's pull out the basic colored ones. Sorry. All right, so these are the basic colored ones. The blue. Oh, this one seems to be opaquer than the pastel. Orange. Like I don't think yellow will be amazing. But if you are writing on white paper, ooh, that's a pretty green. And red looks kind of pinkish, kind of like a dark coral. But these aren't bad for $1.25. I will definitely put them on my journaling cart and use them. Yeah, I think for $1.25, I think they're a good deal. So, you know, keeping a lookout for these. Good finds, good finds. Let's see. I seen Lisa haul more of these, so I had found some, but not all of the ones that she found. So I went back and looked, or I went to a different one, a different Dollar Tree that I don't typically visit, and I found some more. I think I do have these ones, but I picked up another one. They have such fun colors. I did not find these ones. I picked up these, and I think I found these ones already too. I don't know. I'd have to look through my stash, but these are great for journaling or planning or anything that you want to add like a little space for any kind of writing, journaling, or whatever. They're just, I mean, they're cheap and they're fun. You get 40 labels for $1.25. I mean, they're fun. There's also like arrows. My store did not have any of the arrows, but you know, I did find some, so that's okay. I did find these little cards that are strawberries. They're so sweet. It's sad that these went down to 4 because they used to be 6. You used to get 6 in a bundle. Now you only get 4. You know, I always try to, you know, I always have great intentions to make handmade cards with a swap or Happy Meal or stuff, you know, stuff like that. But you don't always have a chance. So I do have a nice little selection of pre-made cards, and I thought these would be fun for the summer. And another fill-in book that I didn't have. I love these things. They're like my guilty pleasure. And now for some exciting stuff. I was so excited to see these. They carried Heishi beads, I think it was last spring or last summer. They came out with like little single packs, but now they have these packs. So they get a 3-pack. They did have other colors. I did not grab every color because there were some that I just didn't want. There was some purples. I probably should have taken a picture and I didn't. It was quite busy when I went. There was purples, there were some blues. I only picked up the colors that I thought I would like. So I got these 2 packs. So they have 2 different sets. So these are the solid packs. We have like a corally pink, a hot pink, and a red, mint, turquoise, and blue. And then these ones have 2 solids and a mixed color. So I know this one had purple and a blue mix, like a dark blue mix. There might have been orange too, but I thought these ones would be the ones I would use the most. So for $1.25, I think these are a good deal. When they had those little single packs, I didn't think it was the best deal because they were so small. But I mean, they were like literally, I feel like maybe even smaller than one single one of these. So I didn't think they were the best deal, but these ones I think are a really good deal. Even if you don't use them for crafting, get these for your kids for the summer so they can have fun. Like, you get quite a bit and they will get used, right? They always get used. All right, I did get some sticker packs because, again, I seen Lisa haul some of these and they were so cute. This is not normally what... I'm not a huge fan of like the hollow, like super crazy stickers, and it looks like they've meant mine in the package. But these are fun for journaling, and these are all like craft supplies. So we have like a paintbrush, we have paint, we have a needle and thread, we have a washi tape, we have safety pin, we have glue. Like, I just thought it was cute, and like, you know, all the stuff that we would kind of use, yarn. So they were cute. Scissors. I thought they were cute. I thought she had these ones, I think, and I thought they were cute because they were strawberries, they were cherries. This says get cozy. They were teapots. I was like, oh, I need this, you know, in my life to put in my stash. Again, these are great for sticker dumps or just journaling, sticker albums, whatever you like. And then I got this one. She had hauled this animal one, and I did not see that one, but I seen this one, and it's really giving me like 80s and 90s vibes. So I was like, we'll try it out. We'll see. It's just so funny how usually I would not typically go for these type of stickers, but now that I'm doing more and more journaling, these type of stickers like really come in handy. So we have a lot of these I probably wouldn't use, but I have boys, so if I go back and add to like a photo album or something, I can use them. They definitely skateboarded, play games, you know, stuff like that. Love this like 80s phone. I love the cassette on fire. And then we have those ones that are pretty much the same, just not hollow. And then we have alphas, which, you know, I've said it before, I've been using a ton of alphas. And then we have these ones. Some are cute, some I probably won't use, but they're cute. And then you have these round ones. So cute. I'm still gonna look out for the animal one. I haven't been to a couple in a while, so they might have them. And then I found these new pens, and I thought these were great. These were by the checkout. So there's a strawberry, there's a lemon, and a cherry. I don't know if there's any more than these. I really like the cherry one. I grabbed two of those. And they have all different colors. Let's see what kind of colors they have. Probably the typical primary colors. But these are great novelty pens to put in swaps and stuff like that. Yeah, you get your typical colors. You have your black, blue, red, yellow, green, and purple. And yeah, they all have the same colors, but they're really cute. I really like the lemon citrusy one. And then the strawberry on top is really cute, but I think the cherry one is the cutest. So that is all of my new finds. Oh, there's the other cherry one. Yeah, let me know if there's something out there that I'm missing, or if you can't find something but you're really, really looking for it. Let me know. I might be able to find it for you and, you know, mail it out. We got to help each other if we can. It's kind of crazy that, you know, not all of our Dollar Trees get the same stuff, but sometimes they do. But I'm happy with my finds. I'm still out on the hunt for some other things, but I'm so happy that the Crafter Square is really starting to get some new stuff. I still have not seen a whole lot of new stickers other than Alpha. I've seen people haul some butterflies and some gems, but other than that, I have not seen new stickers. They did also have, I hauled the little square packs of beads in my, I think it was like my last haul or the haul before, and they do have little packs that are similar to that. They have little mirror pieces so that you can like mosaic stuff with mirrors, or I don't know, maybe make sun catchers or something like that. So they do have little packs that have different shaped mirrored tiles that are cute. I did not pick them up. I really don't think I have a need for them. I have enough square adhesive mirror tiles in my collection, but those are some new ones too. I'm trying to think of anything else that I might have seen that I just didn't pick up because I didn't need, but I don't think so. I have seen the new package on all of the adhesive, like the adhesive dots, the foam tape trio, um, like glitter glue. They came back with like the 3 packs of glitter. Um, and I feel like all the colors that I seen were all the same colors that they had before. I really don't do a whole lot with glitter. Um, More sequins. I think, yeah, I haven't seen any new sequins since the sequins that I hauled the first time when they first came out, which was probably a month or two ago. But other than that, I haven't really seen a whole lot of new stuff, but they are bringing in new stuff like these. So they are bringing in more stuff. I really hope that they get more stickers. I do miss their stickers. I miss their stamps, their rub-on transfers. I miss all that stuff. So hopefully we will see more of that stuff in the future. But I hope that you guys are having a great week, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.